In 1815, a peculiar event unfolded in Vienna. The Congress of Vienna, a grand assembly of European powers, was in full swing. Amidst the political negotiations, a curious figure emerged, a parrot named Coco. Coco belonged to Prince Metternich, the Austrian diplomat. This parrot had an unusual talent. It could mimic human speech with uncanny accuracy. During tense discussions, Coco would interject with phrases like "bravo" and "more wine," which surprisingly lightened the mood. Did a parrot's encouragement shape Europe's future? The Congress concluded with a new balance of power, and Coco became a symbol of unexpected diplomacy.